Okay, this is Packet Tracer 5.3.3.3 using the Cisco iOS Show commands. The objective of this is to use the Cisco iOS Show commands. So should be fairly simple. You can see here everything's reading each other, so it's basically just a bunch of typing that we're going to go through and check stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect to the IP router 1841. Um, so we're going to okay, let's get back to this. So we're going to go, first of all, we're going to click on desktop and then terminal. Okay, and that gets us into our command prompt area. So at that point, we are going to click enter, click enable. That gets us into our proper area. Excuse me. Now, um, we're going to hit type in show, and the first thing we're going to type with it is we're going to type in space ARP and hit enter, and you can see that gives us all of this information. And then we're going to type in show flash, enter, and you can see here we have the flash directory now is up. And then we're going to hit type in show space IP space ROUTE, enter, and now this gives us our IP route. The gateway of the last resort is not set, so it gives us all the codes. And then we are now going to type in show interfaces. And now we have all of our interface information. The fast Ethernet 00 gives us our internet address, gives us the pretty much all the information we need is all right here. It gives us all of it. There's still more information because you see here it says more. So you hit your tab, or your space bar rather, and it brings up the more information that's available. And now you see here it no longer says more, it just says ISP router. So now we're going to type in show protocols. And it gives you the global values, your internet address, your fast Ethernet is administratively down, and you just keep hitting the tab bar until you get your router again. And now we're going to type in show users, and you see here where you typed in show users, line 0 connects to 0 and so on. It's next one would be show versions. And now it's Cisco Software 1841. Gives you all the information on that. And we pretty much are done with this activity as well. So it definitely gives you a lot of information in these. So we see here that this is the subnet mask right here with the dot zero. Um, they ask how much flash memory is reported, which the system flash directory how much flash memory is reported. So total of flash memory would be 3 point, let's see, 32, 51, 40, 48. Then also it says why is the executive mode needed, so somebody else doesn't get into it. You know that you're where you need to be. Um, and then it wants to know which one is running. The 00 fast Ethernet is up and running, and that gives you all of our activities for that, including all the reflections.